Today I'm talking with Georges Richard, CEO of L'Atelier du Vin, whose products we carry on the marketplace at Coravin.com. Welcome, Georges. How are you?
How are you doing, Lindsay? I am so happy being with you today.
Oh, it's so good to see you. How are things in Paris?
Well, sunny day in Paris, and back to this weekend I was in Champagne, and it was great weather too. So we are happy and we are lucky.
Excellent, excellent. Sounds lovely. L'Atelier du Vin has a storied history. Can you tell me about the origins of the company?
Sure. L'Atelier du Vin is a family business. It will turn 100 years in 2026, sorry. And we have started our passion for the world of wine in Champagne, where we are still owning vineyards, and we are involved on a weekly basis, taking care of vineyards and grapes. By the way, we have no Champagne brand, but we do sell the grapes to major Champagne names.
Right, and that's very common in Champagne, right?
Yes, exactly. It's what we call cooperative. It's where you sell and at a specific price your grapes and every year after the vineyard.
Awesome. So what makes the L'Atelier products unique?
Well, this is a difficult question, Lindsay. I would say that L'Atelier du Vin means workshop. So in France, it means the place where you think about the tool you use. You think the way you will be using the tool. And for us, ergonomy is very important. When you use a corkscrew as an example or a decanter, the way you will use it makes much sense for us. So we work sometimes over years on product development to make sure that it's the right tool. So, and then come the design in terms of colors, materials, packaging. But first of all, we try to design the right tool.
Awesome. So which products, are the products still designed in Paris today?
Yes, we have an internal studio based in Paris, and our atelier workshop, small factory, is based north of France, near Amiens, where we do all the prototypes, where we will test all the products on numerous, of course, wine opening when it's about corkscrew, but also we will be trying all those over months.
So which products do best in the American market?
Well, we can see that as on other markets, but especially in US, we have a very specific line of corkscrew, leather type of corkscrew, sommelier type of corkscrew, Bilame, which is a very traditional and old product of us back in 1947. Oh, wow. All those are really performing in US, and they can come with different kind of packaging, more tailored for gift issues or more tailored for the products that you can shop for yourself. Having said that, we are very happy also in US regarding all our gift sets that propose numerous products into one wooden nice gift set as an example.
Yes, yeah, we sell some of those gift sets on the marketplace. They're beautiful. We've had so many nice comments about them. So it's such a reputable product line. Are there any stinkers or that were ever made, or products that just did not work?
Yes, Lindsay. We try to come up every day with a new idea, so you can imagine that it's just impossible to launch so many products. So we have many fails, and I cannot remember all of them, but of course it happens that we are so excited launching new products, and at the end of the day, we can see that clients are just not understanding it, are not willing it, but we are lucky enough to say that among all those fails, we have many more successes, and that's why L'Atelier du Vin is so strong today.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's key, right? More successes than not successes. So our company mission at Coravin is to change the way the world experiences wine. Can you share a favorite wine experience that you've had?
Well, let's say that that's my first memory would be back a long time ago, many decades ago, when we were doing by ourselves wine at home in Champagne, and those are memories that are mixed into the vineyards and at home when trying to do the good wine. This is days and part of nights where you are really putting all your heart into doing the wine, and this is very strong into my memory. Another memory I have is back when I was a student in my 20s. I was in Sacramento State University, and I had the chance, together with other students, traveling to Napa almost on a week, every weekend, to discover new wines and new way of doing wines. We had good contracts, as an example, at Chandon Estate, and it's among my very interesting memories regarding wine.
That's wonderful. So how are we doing in California with our wine? Do you still enjoy any California wine today?
Yes, of course. But the way I do test wine is that I changed a region and area of wines like every trimester, and it's on my diary to come back to new tastings with the friends I was with during my studies in the next couple of months. So I will for sure update you then.
Oh, excellent. Oh, that's great. I can't wait till we can all travel again to wine country. So anything you'd like to plug or any exciting product developments on the horizon for L'Atelier?
Yes, thank you, Lindsay. We are already finalizing the Christmas season. Christmas is very important for us, and we try to put all what we can into the product development for Christmas and into the gifting side of them. And you can expect great and noble materials to be launched between April and September, with true leather splendid gift sets, among many others, handmade and by artisans. And we are doing the bet that we will have success, hopefully, in US as well.
Wonderful. I can't wait to see them. You mentioned your father. Is he still very involved in the business?
Yes, he is. He is more like R&D guy, that we will call him, ask him to come for a meeting. He will challenge our ideas. He will say, look, I would not do it that way. I would do it the other way. By the way, he's very linked to the US as well, since he did his studies at Harvard. And my mother was at MIT. So we are really, and my godfather is a Harvard teacher. So you see, we are very linked to your great country.
You're very linked to where we are in Boston. I did not know that. That's so interesting.
Exactly. Yes.
And is it nice working with family overall?
Yes, we do enjoy very much. It's not easy on a daily basis, of course, because we have good. We try to push hard our own ideas, but at the end of the day, it's a good way to make things, I think, better, of better quality.
Excellent. Yeah, that must be challenging, but also very rewarding. And
it is.
I'm sure you spend plenty of time with your family, which is nice.
Yes, I do.
That's nice. That's nice having family nearby. So anyway, it was so nice talking to you today, Georges. Everybody should check out the L'Atelier du Vin products at the Coravin marketplace, and look forward to new products coming out later this year. And I wish you a very lovely spring and some nice visits to Champagne.
Merci, welcome. Thank you so much.
Thanks, George.
À bientôt. À bientôt.